So this is an instruction video on how to change filters on a LINX 160. Okay, when your B and C light are solid, that indicates that your filters need to be changed. You can refer to your LINX 160 owner's manual. There's a chart inside that'll tell you when they need to be changed. Okay. First step, what you do is depressurize the system. You want to go ahead and turn on your faucet, turn off your tank, turn off your water supply. Okay, once all that's off, you're going to want to wait until the water stops running. Once your water is completely stopped, you're going to want to go ahead and unplug the unit from the back. Okay. There's two screws located on the bottom of the front. Grab your screwdriver. Go ahead and unscrew both of those screws. The lid you're going to want to go ahead and push forward and then up. Take it all the way off. Okay, there'll be a little knob on top. This is your safety knob. You're going to want to go ahead and pull it up. Okay, so now you see your filters right on the side. You have two on the side, one inside this housing. So your carbon filter is going to be the closest one to the front. Your sediment filter is going to be in the back, and your TDS is going to be in the far at the back. Okay, so your unit should be labeled on top with carbon and sediment. You're going to want to find your wrench, grab a spare piece of paper towel, put paper towels right on the bottom of the sediment and carbon filter to catch any excess water that spills. Grab your wrench, the small end. On the bottom of the filter, you'll find little grooves. Just move it around until you find the right spot. Okay, once you got it pretty loosened, you can loosen it by hand. Same with the other one. Find the groove. You want to grab your new filters. So on the filters, they should be labeled carbon and sediment. Okay, so you want to put the sediment in first in the back. Go ahead and hand tighten. There we go. And once you got it hand tightened, go ahead and grab your wrench, a little quarter turn. Grab the next filter, your carbon filter. Hand tighten first. Okay, once you got that hand tightened, grab your wrench, a little quarter turn. Once you got your carbon and sediment filter changed, next step is to change out your TDS. All right, so you're gonna wanna grab your other end of the wrench, the wider end. You're gonna go ahead and loosen the lid up. Okay, once you got it pretty loosened, you can go ahead and loosen it by hand. On the opposite end of the wrench, you'll have little tabs. You're going to use that to take the filter out. So you're going to slide it right into place, give it a quarter turn till you catch that filter, and then just pull straight up. Okay. Your new filter has the same tabs on there. You're going to want to go ahead and just slide that right into place. Slide it all the way down until it's even with the top. Grab the lid again, tighten it right down. Once you've changed all three filters out, you're going to want to start it up again. Make sure your safety switch is still in the up position. You're going to want to go ahead and plug it back in. Okay, you'll see the lights turn on. It's going through its startup procedures. Turn on the water, your water supply. You're going to want to turn on your tank. And you're going to turn on your faucet. And you might see air come out or black carbon. That's just the new filters you put in, they're just flushing them. All right, so that'll just run for about 30 seconds or so. Once that's done, you're going to want to go ahead and turn it off. Next step is resetting your counters. You're going to want to push this right button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll see the red light blink and then stop. Okay, then you want to push it 5 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You'll see the blue light blink and then stop. So you reset your counters, ready for the new filters you just put in. Okay. Once you reset your counters, you're going to want to go ahead and put it into a preconditioning. So that you want to hold both buttons down for 5 seconds. There we go. Okay. So then you'll see the lights going in sequence. Once that's going in sequence, A, B, C, and D, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, means it's started its preconditioning. That's going to take about 90 minutes. Once you've started your preconditioning, you can go ahead and put your lid back on. So you want to slide it down. Once you got the lid on, you're going to want to go ahead and push back. Grab your 2 screws. Screw them back in on the bottom. Okay. And in 90 minutes, you'll be able to enjoy your LINX 160 water.